Ibiza. Fascinating, magnetic, and breathtaking. It's the perfect place to get your inspiration for 2022, if not for a brand new chapter in your life. Visit my workshop, Face Reading for Success. Learn to read the signs and the wisdom of the face. The face reveals personality, character, health, nutrition, love, relationship, and maybe even your path of life. At my workshop at beautiful Six Senses in Ibiza from March 25 till 27, you learn to read the signs. The Face is a book where one writes a lifetime. Come to Ibiza and write a chapter together with me. We will have lots of moments of insights and maybe a game changer. I see you.